exercise for question 9, I'm going to be using a DC instead of a servo, and that is connected to the Mega and goes into pin 30 using a Vex motor controller and 2 push buttons that would be connected into the digital section using pins 4 and 6. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to control the direction of the DC using the push buttons, and that is if I press one of the push buttons, it is supposed to move forward, and pushing the other push button, the second push button, is supposed to turn the flag backwards, and pushing neither of them should pause it like it is right now. So I have my code set up already. It's similar to the servo, however, in this case I'm using DC as my term instead of the servo. So I have my pins right here. Now I'm going to be using an input pull-up for both pins, and so that way if I press the button it shows a low, and if I leave the button it shows a high. This is my loop digital reading pins 4 and 6 for the push buttons. This is my code right now. So going forward, if we're expecting the DC to go full forward, we would be expecting to have 180 degrees. However, that does not work. So I'm going down by 20, which is 160, and that would print out a forward on the LCD. A 20 degrees would be for backwards, and 0 would be paused. So this is push button 1, and this would be push button 2. And right now it's paused at 0 degrees. So press in push button 1, and go ahead and pressing push button 2 moves to backward.